Would you like to say excuse me? We are going to be cleaning and organizing all of this mess. Right? Are we gonna clean? Are we gonna organize? Can you whisper? Can you whisper? Awesome. Okay, so this shoe rack here was actually just like a shelf that we had that we took and just brought down here. So I want to take it out, wipe it all off and clean it, vacuum the floor. These bins I'm going to put up here and organize and declutter this because there's too much. And then I'm going to sort out a section for me, a section for Owen, and then go through my sweaters and jackets because I have too many. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start down here and work our way up here. So here's a before. The floors were not bad, so everything is clean. So here is like that little shelf. I wiped it all up. I can see myself either painting or putting like a sticker on top of it one day just to give it a cleaner look, but this is all wiped down, it's all clean. So I'm gonna put all the shoes on it and then we are going to head up to this mess. Here's my boyfriend's section, he's got 2. And then here is my section where I only kept 5. I feel like this is reasonable. I've got 1 Lululemon, 2 Lululemon, I got a Gymshark, a nice leather jacket, and my I Love New York hoodie. So it's looking a lot cleaner. Oops. I have a lot of like reusable bags, so I'm going to try and just condense them all into one bin. Let's see how many I can fit in a bin. The next bin is going to be for like Scarlett's things, so I'm going to put things that are hers in here and only keep what fits in here because she's got a lot of stuff. Okay, so I know it's not organized, but this is Scarlett's bin. So I have her leashes, her collars, I've got like brush and some gauze, nail clippers. Like this is good because like vets say, you want to keep like an emergency kit, and I have like gauze and I have a few other things in here like this. That's good for an emergency. So make sure to have like an emergency kit. This is her like Christmas collar. So this is all I'm keeping for Scarlett. I did declutter a little bit. I have 2 pairs of nail clippers that I ordered. And I purchased these ones from Walmart, and then I got these ones from a different place. These, no joke, literally took 4 months to get here. I just got really tired of waiting for nail clippers, so I went out and bought these. These ones work okay. They were good from Walmart. We haven't tried these yet, so I'm gonna keep both of them until I figure out which ones I like better for her. I feel like I'm gonna like these ones just because they're bigger, and these ones are a little bit smaller, but I'll see. So anyway, this is her bucket. It's honestly not bad. It all fits in here. Now to do another bucket. The next bucket's going to be miscellaneous things and things that we use all the time and keep in the entrance. So some of that's got to go, and then I'll show you everything I'm taking out of the closet, decluttering and getting rid of, and then I'll show you the actual organized closet, which it feels so much better now that things are in bins. So let's do some miscellaneous things. Okay, so here are the buckets. I feel like they're okay. This one really bothers me because of that red bag. So I think I need to declutter another bag so that it all almost looks the same. I really like this. Maybe I need to just like reorganize them. I'm gonna try this one again and see what I should do about it because I don't like seeing the red stick out. There we go. That to me is so much better. So I've got my bags, Scarlett stuff, miscellaneous things, nothing else up there. I've got his section for sweaters, my section for sweaters, and then I've just got our everyday shoes. So I feel like that is so much better. I have been wanting to do this for probably a month, and my first thing was I wanted to find a shoe rack. So I waited, and then I found a shoe rack. Then I decided I wanted to try and find affordable organizers because organizers are expensive if you didn't know. So I got those for $4.99 each, which I feel was pretty good because they're marble and they're cute. And I'm just so happy that I was able to clear out some of the sweaters and jackets that I just don't wear and don't use. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really hope that this inspired you to go out and clean and organize. You don't have to spend a ton of money on organizing because, like I said, I only spent $12 on bins, and I just took a shelf I already had for a shoe rack. And I mean, I'm decluttering some things, so I'm basically going to make my money back from spending the $12 on the bins. So anyway, now I've got to sort out and put everything else away, declutter the other items. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this and if you'd like to see more of these, and make sure to go follow me on my Instagram. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.